Hello friends, this is one of the very important session where you will learn the Google hacking database search engine. So we get to know only some basic search engines like Google, DuckDuckGo, and others are right. But there are some many more where we can find the critical information such that in you can find out in census.io. You can find it on shodan.io. So there are a lot of more websites, and these websites actually shows those things. Let's say any device is somehow connected to internet, then it will show you, and if it is vulnerable, then you can exploit those things. So this is one of the best way to for the bug hunting and hacking to get to know about your target. So let me start with this about that Google hacking database introduction. Then we will see the practical. That is practical is very important, where I will show you a live webcam that how you can check or whatever you can do with those things you can do. So I will show you. Okay, so the firstly we have a GHDB, that is Google hacking database, and which is a compendium of Google hacking search terms that have been found to reveal sensitive data exposed by vulnerable servers and web applications. So normally you can't see the servers of any target or any organization, right? But with the help of Google hacking database, Shodan.io or Google Docking, you can find out those things, even those sensitive data. And after finding that, you can easily report that because those are critical informations. Okay. So we have Google Docking. Google Docking is nothing but wherever we use some different keywords. With the help of that, we try to find out the information on Google. Right, so that's what Google Doc, and you can see the site here, site in title, in text, file type. So site, whenever you will use site in site, then let's say site colon microsoft.com. So it will show you only the website of Microsoft. So not a problem with that. We will use it one by one. And apart from this, I will also show you a lot of more things. This is the just an example. That's why I just wrote here. And at last, I will show you the live webcam example. Okay, so let me jump into the Google Chrome where I will show you everything. Okay, so the firstly, you need a target. Without target, you can't do anything, right? So let me search on the bug crowd. Okay, so from here, you can see in under the programs, if you want any of the target, if you are doing bug bounty, right? So if you are doing hacking, then you already know your you can say target. If you are doing bug bounty, make sure that there is a responsible disclosure. Also guys, if this session you want to try on your lab practical, then make sure that you are using a virtual box, that is very important, or you are using Tor. Okay, so you can just choose any of the program from here, and you can start searching on that. You start exploring the sensitive data regarding the target. In my case, I will recon on Microsoft.com. Okay, so the first one, site colon Microsoft. Okay, see, this is the syntax site. Then you need to use colon between the organization name and that Google Doc keyword. So site colon Microsoft, I just enter it, and you can see each and every link I'm getting related to Microsoft. So that's what the power of that Google Doc. And this is just a starting, right? So let me show you more things. You will be some interesting, there is some interesting things like in title, right? And you need to find the policy, right? You need to find the policy in, let's say I'm giving the site name Microsoft. Here it is. Okay, in title is with that. So you see here, in each and everything you will get to know. Sorry, there is a comma. There should be a comma. Okay, same results. So whatever the policy, whatever the you can say every policy related to Microsoft.com, you will get to know. And if you'll just delete that in title policy, then you will get to know every policy, whatever the policy in the whole Google search. So that is quite long, correct? So that is in title. Let's say you need to find some confidential information, confidential word. So how you will find a confidential word? So it's very simple. That's it. That's how you will find. So you can see here, wherever the confidential word is, you will get to know. And if you want to find on some target website, for me, my target website is Microsoft.com. So enter. Okay. So from here you will get to know the each and every confidential. See here, everywhere you will get the confidential word. So wherever the text confidential is, that page will that will show you. So see, you can see here, I use site means I want only Microsoft.com website and I need a confidential word in that Microsoft.com. Just show me. So the Google show you these things. So that's how it's a Google Doc is work. But what else if you don't know Google Docking that much? Then it's a very simple thing that you need to go Google Hacking Database where you can find lot of information, lot of sensitive data, even you can't imagine about that. Okay, so let me open this. Here it is, Google Hacking Database. Okay, so you let's say you don't know about in title syntax, how it works and what it is. Then you can just here is a quick search and you can just write whatever you want to write. So let me firstly show you example of this in title. So you can see here there are a lot of things. Let me open 3 or 4 things and you will get to know whatever you want. You can just search there. And here you can also just read about these things. That's very easy. But the main thing is that in title login, OTRS login. So in this way you can search. They have used the double commas login. So wherever the title login, they will show you, right? So wherever the okay privacy error, it is not a problem. So this is the portal and you can brute force it very easily. I'm not going to say hacking is what I'm not doing hacking. I'm showing you the ethical hacking, the ethical way of doing hacking. So these if you want to actually do it, then make sure that you are using Tor browser and Kali Linux. So these are the two recommendations. Then please do your whatever you want to brute force that or whatever you want to do. So that's the only recommendation from my side. So as of now, I'm not going to do this because I'm doing these things on Windows. Okay, right. So this is how you can use the entitle. So you can see that how strong these Google Docs keywords are. That's how very this is very strong one. And okay, let me search here. There is also one of the things you can see here, GLPI. Whatever you will give in that in title, it will show you. Let me show this. See that. So whatever the things, it will show you. Not a problem, not a big problem. And it's very easy to learn, but it need a practice. So guys, make sure that you are practicing each and everything. Like, okay, see here, there is also one of the login button which is directly going on this IP. So this is how you can use these in titles buttons. Okay, let me again go in the Google Hacking Database and I will show you something more. Let's say in URL, if you want to find in URL, right? You can find the in this way. You can see here what is the syntax. That's very simple. Whatever the keyword of Google and word, just write here and colon. Then you can use the whatever you want to just search. Okay, so if you want to find a confidential word, even that will show you wherever the confidential word is lies, it will show you. They see here confidential. Correct. So in URL root finder classified passwords username, that's fine. Something sensitive directories. Okay, let's know. Okay, it is not showing anything. Maybe I think it has been removed, right? Okay. See here file type. If you want a file type, then you will get to know Google confidential file type colon PDF. File type is also one of the Google doc keyword. So definitely, you will never find a PDF on those directly on the website. So where it is coming? So it is coming from the background of that server. So that's how it is very I can say it's very okay. Telling to me download. I don't want to download. Okay, the one of the w3.rg is opening. So it's related to 2014. You can see here, and you can read those things. Okay, now let me show you about the mm, okay okay let me show you about the something webcam, something interesting. Okay, also you can use by directly by using google.com. You can just directly write in URL and colon webcam xp5 or something, whatever the webcam you know, right? So it will show you directly webcam x5, right? But I want to know the already exploited and already you can say which is available live. So let me search here which is showing the live streaming. Okay, it is opening in this. No, I don't want. I okay. So let me open this. Open this. I want the live images of everything's right. Okay, cut it. Okay. So just click here and here you can say just again click here wherever you want to, so it will directly search here. So you want to search or you want to see some live webcams. So see here we find one of them. So see here it's live webcam. You can see this image is moving and it is showing in that frame because it's a very long right, and we have a connection that is quite the distance is very far away. That's why it is showing in this way. See here, that car is moving. Here it is. So and what we can do more things. We can change the source here. Let's source 4. So the source 4 is this one. See here, you can find everything whatever you need to do. You want to zoom. You can zoom from here. You can see here zoom button, right? So these are the things which is very dangerous and see. This is one of the camera which is here, right? And even if you want to more, you can check here. Yeah, you can check for the motion JPEG Firefox if you want. See here, all the things are happening here, correct? So that's what very interesting. And if you want to search many things, whatever you want to search, you can search here. That's what it is. And if you want to search any server, you can directly search server. See here, site PHP server database. You want to some more information, some critical information, just write the password here. Just write password, username, password, JT Corporation, all right results, right? All in text, password. If you want to know the password of any gmail.com person or username together. So let's see this one. It's quite seeing interesting. Okay, so see here. I mean, what what these guys are doing, this sangamitraschool.com, and my God, they even don't know. Okay, why it is okay? It will open. Might be it is far away from us. That's why. Okay, it is stopping us. Not a problem. So even you can see here, right? Dialogue marketing, Gmail, hello at the rate. You are getting many things from here as well. Once you will open, you will get to know more things. So that's how Google again database is works. I hope you will understand. Okay, we got one of the more things. You can find each and everything. You can find with your target names. See here, HP Laser Professional. You got the IP. See here, it is asking for the username and password. You can use the HP's default password, or you can directly brute force. It is also, so I think it's uh, asking for the passwords. You can brute force them. Anything else? I think yes, I hope you got to know each and everything. So that's it in that Google hacking database session. And I hope I make you understand. If not, then just let me know in that uh, you can say in our WhatsApp group chat or in the comment section of this course. So okay, that's it. Bye bye. Take care. We'll meet in the next video.